Okay, starting to solve with square roots. So problem like number 13, I want to get always the square root alone first. I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. Get the root of 2x minus 1 equals to 5. Now the way I get rid of the square roots, so because I got to start work outside and then work in. So I'm going to raise this to the second power on both sides. This is 25. This means the square root and the squared cancel each other out. So I would have 2x minus 1 equal to 25. Add 1 to both sides. Add 2x equals 26. Divide by 2. X is equal to 13. So on problems like number 14, we have x plus 2 equals square root of 3x minus 4. Okay, I don't need to add or subtract anything over, so I'm going to square this side and square this side. And I'm going to get 3x minus 4 here. But now the thing is, I got to square this part, x plus 2 times x plus 2. So this is where a lot of your stuff comes back into working together. So x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. X squared, 2x, 2x, 4. So I have x squared plus 4x plus 4 equals 3x minus 4. Now what I'm going to do is get everything on one side. I'm going to have x squared minus 3x plus 1x and then plus 4 plus 8 equals 0. So now from there, you can do the quadratic formula. You can do factoring. This is just an example. The point that I've gotten to is going to be a little bit more difficult than yours. I believe that yours you'll be able to factor nicely. You'll get 2 parentheses equals 0. So you set 1 equals 0. Set 1 equals 0. And you can solve for the numbers that way. So, but the basic premise is that you start off by squaring both sides, FOIL it out, move everything to one side, and see what you got. See if you can multiply to that number, but add to this number to get your factors. And then set them equal to 0 to solve. Now, similar thing for number 15. Let me start you off on this one, because it'll be a little bit more difficult. Square root of 2x plus 7 equals square root of x plus 2. So same thing, I want to get rid of the square roots. So I'm going to square everything. It does get rid of this over here, because that's the only thing. I have 2x plus 7 there. Excuse me. Now this means I'm going to have x square root of x plus 2, and then square root of x plus 2 again. So I'm going to have to FOIL. That times that, I get x, because that will cancel it out. Plus that one, 2 root x, x, plus 2 root x, plus 4. Now, if you have anything that does not have a square root with it, you need to move to the other side. So I have x plus 7 equals, I'm going to combine these two, 4 root x plus 4. Move the 4 over, move the 4 over, x plus 3 equals 4 root x. Now, I'm going to get rid of the square root a second time by squaring it again. So I'm going to leave it up to you to FOIL this part out. See what you get here. On this side you would square this and get 16. Square root of this is just x. So this is where I'm going to leave you to finish the problem. You need to FOIL all this out. So First term should give you something, plus first and last, inners, and then outers. Then move 16 over, set it equal to 0. Then you're going to find some factors. Multiply to the C term, but add up to the B term.